See, I'm sort of like my favorite shoes. I look better when I'm on my feet.
Good morning, YouTube. It's Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. Got my coffee for the day. I suggest you get your coffee or drink of choice. Nestle in. I've got an unboxing again today. I'm starting to slow down, believe it or not. I've got this one. I ordered it from the Pen Boutique. This one is very well sealed. So let me see if I can crack open this bad boy. And I hope everybody's doing well. It's starting to the weather is finally starting to change and get a little bit cooler. Wow, they really did pack this really quite well. So I'm just trying to, there we go, get into some of the seals of this box without cutting myself. All right, I think I got it all. This is my very first order from the Pen Boutique. I've been watching their emails come through my account for years, but this is the first time. And I ordered from them another Holy Grail pen. And as I acquire my Holy Grail pens, my need to buy them is starting to become, I got candy flying out of everything. Buy less of them, hopefully. Hopefully. Fingers crossed. Okay, so they send Jolly Ranchers, which is really, really sweet. I like those. My cavities or dentures or whatever, teeth do not. But I don't have dentures but I do have cavities. I've had cavities in the past. Okay, so we got the Pen Boutique. I ordered some Sailor inks because they had those, and I ordered my Sailor pen. And so I finally got a Sailor Pro Gear non-slim. So this is just a regular Pro Gear. I got the Fika Cup and the fountain pen. This is a medium because I found that I really do like Sailor and medium nibs. And let's just see what we have here. At least in the return policy. Hold on just a second. Do we have it taped down? Nope. It's just the box is on there very firmly. Oh my God. It's so pretty. Oh my goodness. It is so pretty. So we're going to take it out of the band. Let's see what we have underneath this cap. A little resting spot. So you've got information about Sailor and the North America limited warranty. Oh wow. We've got, oh yay, they gave us a cartridge converter. All right. I have a couple extra ones just in case. That's absolutely fantastic. I love that. And some cartridges, just in case you don't want to do that. And then you've got the product information from Sailor on how to fill it, etc. All right, let's get into this. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm really excited that they gave me a cartridge converter. Sailor cartridge converters are not cheap. So when you get them, be very appreciative that you get them and you don't have to pay for them individually, because they can be a nice little chunk of change that you don't always feel like for the money that you're paying for the pen, you should get one. And I'm glad that they graciously included one in this one. Let's just snip this end open. Sorry, I'm doing this off camera because it just makes sense. That is the Fika Cup pen in blue and light blue. It is stellar. I love the flat finials with the Sailor logo on the top and then kind of a rounded flat end on the bottom. Put that to the side. Let's do a comparison of some other pens before I get this going. This is a Platinum 3776, I think, with a zoom nib. This is a Lamy Studio, and this is the Sailor Pro Gear slim next to it. So it's only a little bit bigger than the Pro Gear Slim. So that's what that looks like uncapped. And I'll just kind of do this like this. Put this to the side so this rolls this way. As you can see, the nib on the Platinum 3776 Zoom is huge. Let me zoom in here and come down here. I'll do it this way. So there's that one. This is the Lamy Studio. I'll try to get these so that they don't roll. So that's what that looks like uncapped, which is a little bit longer than the 3776 Platinum. This is the Sailor Studio Refresh from Real Seca Pens and Sailor Collab. Looks like I need to clean that nib again. And lastly, the Sailor Pro Gear Regular. So quite long when posted, but as you can see from here, the Refresh is the shortest pen. All right, let's get into the inking and the writing of this lovely pen. Just moving these to the side. I'm gonna have to clean off that Refresh pen, and let's do this. Okay, so this one I need to get the converter cut open as well. And there's that. I think there's some instructions about the pen itself. I'm just trying to get this out of here just in case they give me any tidbits that I don't already know about, but I doubt it. I'm doing this like that, and the cartridge converter. I've got some pen flush, and I think I'm going to flush this really quick just to make sure. Just gonna quickly flush the nib, flush the converter, make sure I don't have anything that carried over from Japan, which I highly doubt I did. This looks like it was sealed from the factory. So let's just wipe off the nib, and then I've got some, let's see here, Pilot Shinkai and the Venta Amata ink. I kind of want to do the Venta on this just because I want to see it do the contrast. Okay, let's do that. Get it a good feel here. And that's fine for now. Wipe it off all the excess. And all right. Very satisfying. Alrighty, let's do a quick writing sample over here. Toma River paper. And I'm going to say, what does this feel like posted? Not bad. You can definitely write with this one posted. It's not back end heavy for me. I feel like it's very comfortable in hand. But for the sake of this, we'll just, when it's not posted, fits really nice. So either way will work. Just take it off for now. And this is, oh my God, nice. So this is the Sailor brain fart Pro Gear. Sorry about that. Haven't had my coffee. Haven't had one sip of it yet. Pro Gear, and this is in the Fika Cup in a medium. And this is an 18 karat gold nib. And the ink, I did Vinta Armada. Beautiful, beautiful pen. And it has that nice, lovely Sailor feedback. Definitely keeping up. And let's do the quick brown fox. Beautiful writer. Beautiful writer. Absolutely gorgeous writer. Yeah, doodling. So there you go. That is the Sailor Pro Gear in the Fika Cup with a medium nib. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Hit that smash button. If you have any comments or feedback, let me know. If you own this pen, i.e. a Sailor Pro Gear, which one do you own? Do you like it, and what nib do you have? And what do you think about the writing experience? Let me know in the comments below. All right, guys, until next time, take care, and thank you very much for sticking to the end. I'll talk to you later. Bye.
You see, I'm sorta like my favorite shoes. I look better when I'm on my feet. Lately, I ain't in the mood for the blues. I think I need something more upbeat.